So I wanted to be consistent, just pop out a little video, something shows that you guys I still care and I'm still trying. What we're gonna do today is this here battery box. KMJ Performance made it for me. Hell, dude, this thing is beautiful. I love the way this looks. I love the way it's gonna look on the truck. So today's video, we're just gonna mount this thing to the truck real quick. Just where I want to put the battery box and keep moving forward. And I want to get out a little video. I know it's the holiday season. I know that Christmas and everything, it's really hard to keep up. You know, like yesterday I had Christmas at my mother's, and then next week we're having Christmas at her mother's. So it's hard to get videos out, you all, especially when you work during the week, and on the weekends you got family events and things to do. So without further ado, I say we do what we do. And let's do some welding, some cutting, some fabricating. Check this thing out. Boy, it is slick kitty, ain't it? So, the battery will fit perfect in here, y'all. I like the way it looks. I like the latching mechanism, and I can lock it. On this project, I wasn't trying to go with anything too vintage or like, I don't know, showy, I guess is the word. And when I originally started, this is all about like a lowered drift machine, just, you know, sorry, I'm doing this all one-handed. This was all about a lower drift machine just to kind of get wild in, but I'm not gonna lie, as I build it, I'm kind of like, it'd be cool to drive like across the United States or something. But that's where that battery box is going. I think that'll look mean and cool, especially with, you know, our roll tubing coming up and whatnot. So that's where we're gonna figure out mounting, and that's what we're gonna figure out how to do today. I know it's not a lot, but a little still shows you care. And like I said, I just wanna let everybody know I'm making a video and getting it out there. This is the battery, it's gonna go in there. It's a Duralast now. Eventually I'll switch to an Optima. But there's really no need for me to get rid of a battery that was an 0121. It's only 1 year old. The guy I bought the car off of, Mark's Auto Sales. There you go. The guy I bought the car off of. Man, I should slap my damn self. The guy I got the truck off of from Mark's Auto Sales had put that battery in there when he got it. So, let's do what we do. And do it right. So this is the battery box, and I want to mount that battery box to this plate that holds both of our springs. I think this is the best location for it. I think this is the best way to look. I thought about originally putting it up here, and I decided against it because it looks goofy. There is a part of me though that's thinking about carving this out a little bit and setting it back in there. I think it'll look cooler, but you know, then it's over the axle. Hell, screw it, let's put it right here. All right, so I have these. Thank you, Dave. Brooks Dad Dave. Thank you. I don't know where the hell you got these, but this is perfect for this little job. We're gonna mount on this bar down here, hang a little strap, and weld that strap to that plate, and then strap be welded at the end of this. 8.5 seems to be our measurement from the bottom of the box to our plate. So let's just cut 2 straps at 8.5. Let's weld one on the end of each one of these straps, and then weld the strap to this plate. And then we'll mark the box, drill a hole, Bob's your uncle, some bolts in there, and just be done with it. I don't think we need to overcomplicate this. I don't think we really need to push the extreme envelope too much. So that's what I'm gonna do, and like always, I'm not gonna show you guys me cutting metal because it's far on the channel and you know the rest. All right, so there it is. Looks pretty good. I understand that's a super short video, but realistically, y'all, I just wanted to talk to you for a second. Christmas. Got a lot to be thankful for. Everybody should. Everybody should keep their heads down, work hard, focus, you know, help one another and do what they can. I know that I'm thankful as hell for every single thing I've got, everything that happens in my life. Couldn't be more ecstatic. So, to all you out there are watching me that are joining my subscription list and whatnot, thank you. Battery box, I guess we'll see a battery in it. Sorry. It's a battery box, I guess we'll see a battery in it soon. All I did was weld up some tabs real quick. Just buzzed them on there. Nice clean welds. Just get everything in place. I'll tap this box and run some bolts through. That way we can drop a piece of thin foam at the bottom and kind of hold everything together. But there we go. Looks good, doesn't it? So, from Magco Fabs to you all and your families, thank you. Remember, there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Do it right the first time. Appreciate you all, every single one of you, and I'm thankful for every single thing I have and every one in my life, all the mistakes and all the greatness, because it all goes into one big pile and makes you who you are. So, thank you. Good night.